Welcome back to Crafts. Today we're going to make Jesus Heals hand tracing. Jesus is full of healing. Our Bible verse says, "But we have this treasure in jars of clay to show that the surpassing power belongs to God and not to us." 2 Corinthians 4, verse 7. Our Bible lesson today tells us about 10 sick men. Jesus healed them. Many things were different then, but some things are the same. People still get sick, and Jesus still heals. We get sick. Our families and friends get sick. We live in a world that is hurt by sin. Our bodies are not perfect. We get sick and we get hurt. Jesus cares for us very much. He blesses us with doctors and medicine and bandages to help us. But it is God alone who has the power to heal. God sent his only Son, Jesus, to heal us from the sickness of sin by dying on the cross to forgive us. Today, we're going to trace our hands to represent the 10 lepers. Jesus told the thankful man, "Your faith has made you well." Jesus makes us well from our sin by dying on the cross for us. He gives us faith in him, and we are well. Next time you are sick or hurt, remember to trust in Jesus. Thank him for his mercy. For today's craft, we will need 2 colors of construction paper, an ink pen, a pair of scissors, and some glue. Okay, yesterday we traced our feet. Today we are going to trace our hands. So we'll need a light colored piece of paper to trace our hands on. And we'll go ahead and do that. One hand might be easier to do than the other. We're going to put smiley faces on every finger to represent the 10 lepers. On day 2, we cut hearts, and we're going to do that again. So we'll take our red paper and fold it in half. Then we're going to fold it in half again to do 2 hearts at once. Draw half a heart. And we have 2 hearts. Okay, we have glue to glue the hearts onto our hands. Put them right there in the palms. And in the hearts, we're going to write Jesus, J-E-S-U-S, heals, H-E-A-L-S. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed making your craft today, and I hope every time you see it, you remember that Jesus is full of healing.